how to transfer photos from a Windows to a MacBook computer. So this will allow you to send photos between your Windows and your Mac computer. Now all you need to do is go and open up an internet browser on either your Mac or your Windows computer. Now all you need to do is open up an internet browser on the device that you're going to be sending the photos from. So I'll be sending photos from my Windows computer over to my Mac, but you can also send photos from your Mac over to your Windows as well. Now you need to head over to the website google.com and make sure you're signed into your Google account like this. You can then click on this square icon to bring up the Google Apps, and then you'll need to scroll down and select Photos. You could then click on the plus icon at the top of the page and click on Album. You could then go and give this album a title and then select Add Photos. Click on Select from Computer, and then you need to go and select all of the photos that you want to upload. Now you can just highlight them all to make sure everything's selected and then go and press Open. You can then wait a couple of seconds while your photos go and upload. Now once they're finished uploading, you can head over to your Mac computer. You need to open up an internet browser and also go and sign into your Google account. You can then click on the square icon again and go and select Photos. From the left hand side, click on the drop down next to Albums and select that album we just created. You can then click on the three vertical dots and press Download All. And now this will download all of these photos to our Mac computer. So after a couple of seconds, it will create a zip file. You can then click on the downloads folder, and here you can find all of these zipped photos, and you can now go and transfer these over to your Mac computer.